Okay, so I'm going to show you these exercises, which hopefully we've been through in your session, which are all to do with how we soothe the triple warmer and your response to threat. So the first thing is when something happens that sets you off, makes you angry, stressed, overwhelmed, and you need to get all that excess energy out of your system. There's an exercise you can do which releases anger and tension from the body, but you do need to be in a private place because you look ridiculous and you probably feel a bit silly, but I'll demonstrate it now. I call it anger huffing. So you simply breathe in, bringing your hands up above your head with fists, so like that, and then as you breathe out with a kind of noise, you bring them very quickly and firmly down to your waist, like that. So you would do it fairly fast because obviously you would be feeling angry or pent up, so you go as many times as you need to. You probably find by the time you get to 20, even if you are quite angry, you'll be feeling a lot calmer. So that's number one. Secondly, I'm going to show you the Wayne Cook posture, which is something that you would do when you feel like your mind's gone to pieces, you're feeling like, you know, emotions are overwhelming you and you need to kind of get back to being calm, grounded, in control. So bring your right foot up over your left knee, take your left hand round the front of the foot and your right hand around the back over the ball of the foot, okay? As you breathe in, you're going to kind of pull the foot along the front of the leg and also straighten up this part of the body. So you pull up with the whole of your body and breathe in. And then as you breathe out, you allow the foot to slide back down towards your knee and allow your body to relax. So you're going to do that 5 times in all. You keep doing that until you've done it 5 times. Then you bring your foot down, swap legs. Right hand goes over the front of the foot, left hand goes over the ball of the foot. You do exactly the same. Breathe in and pull, breathe out and relax. Do that 5 times. Then you bring your feet back onto the floor, steeple the hands together and just bring them in front of your eyes. Put the points of your thumbs there, the knuckles, into the space between your eyebrows. Spread your elbows out and just breathe deeply. In and out 5 times, just being really aware of your breath coming into your diaphragm and your feet on the floor. Just keep breathing and then allow your hands just to come down and relax, okay? And then I'm going to show you 2 things that you can do when you sense that your adrenal glands have had that oomph and released adrenaline, because what we're trying to do now is reverse the body's response to a stressful situation. So what you're going to do to take the energy out, you might even sort of notice when you have a stress response that in here, where your adrenal glands are, you feel a sense of kind of the adrenaline surges through your body. And we want to try and release that effect and reverse it. So you're going to take your fingers, 2 fingers, onto your temples, just where your eyebrows finish at the side there. You will probably notice if you're in a stressful situation that you have almost like a little pulse in there, a sense of sort of it twitches, and you can feel the energy in there. So you're going to press a little bit firmly in there. As you breathe in, just hold, okay, and breathe out again deeply. And then with the next breath, you're going to push gently. I'll just turn to the side so you can see. You're going to push gently back towards your ears and stop just in front of the ears. You push back, so you're kind of pushing the energy back along the energy meridian in the opposite direction. Take another deep breath, and then with the next one you push again up and round the ears. I'll move my hair so you can see. So you're going to push up and round the ear and down the side of the neck and all the way to here. So as you breathe out, you go down to there. So my fingers are hanging off my shoulders. I'm just going to take a few deep breaths now, standing there, pressing into my shoulder with my fingers, and then I'm going to bring my hands down and over my heart and take a few deep breaths, just focusing on my heartbeat and feeling calm, feeling that heartbeat slow. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. Or secondly, what you can do is just take the flat of your hand. This is perhaps a little bit quicker and more discreet if you're in public. Just put the flat of your hand exactly over that place at the side of your eyebrows, and as you breathe out, just stroke all the way down the back of your arm and off the end of the 4 fingers. If you're pulling the energy away, so you're taking the energy in the reverse direction. You do that 3 times in a row. And then you repeat on the other side, okay, 3 times, and that will soothe that, okay? So all of those things, if you practice them regularly and use them, will begin to calm down your body's response to threat so that you're not overreacting so much.